Here at the John Gorrie Museum State Park, we celebrate Dr. Gorrie from the beginnings when he was trying to cure malaria and trying to ease his patients' sufferings, to the invention of the machine which produced artificial ice and would be the precursor to modern air conditioning. Adjoining the John Gorrie Museum is his gravesite and also a monument dedicated to him by the Southern Ice Exchange in 1900. Dr. Gorrie was actively involved in his community of Apalachicola. As well as being a resident physician at 2 hospitals, he served as postmaster, bank president, and was a founding vestryman of the Trinity Episcopal Church. After 1845, he gave up his medical practice to pursue refrigeration projects. On May 6, 1851, Gorrie was granted patent number 8080 for a machine to make ice. The availability of ice, no matter the season, helped to transform Florida and the nation as a whole. The original model of this machine and the scientific articles he wrote are archived at the Smithsonian Institution. John Gorrie has been recognized in several different ways to honor his legacy. There is the John Gorrie Memorial Bridge located in Apalachicola. 2 schools were also named after him, a junior high in Jacksonville and the oldest operating elementary school in the state of Florida located in Tampa. The University of Florida School of Medicine also recognizes Dr. Gorrie with the John Gorrie Award, which is presented to the most outstanding student in the class. Additionally, Dr. Gorrie is recognized for his contributions to society by being acknowledged as a notable person in Florida's history and honored with a statue in the National Statuary Hall of Fame located in the U.S. Capitol in Washington, D.C. Modern refrigeration and the availability of artificial ice have changed the way we live. Much of modern refrigeration and ice production is still based upon the principles studied by Dr. Gorrie. The Florida Park Service and the John Gorrie Museum State Park are honored to be a part of this recognition of Dr. Gorrie, his legacy, and his invention that changed the world.
Around the latter part of June, I received a telephone call from City Administrator Betty Webb informing me that someone had asked the city to nominate Dr. John Gorrie for induction into the newly established Inventors Hall of Fame. And I could not think of anybody from Florida that would have been more deserving than Dr. Gorrie. He is considered the father of modern refrigeration and air conditioning.
Therefore, it be proclaimed that I, Mayor Van W. Johnson Sr., on behalf of our distinguished Board of Commissioners, administrators, staff, and citizens of historic Apalachicola, hereby take this opportunity to give recognition and express our humble appreciation to Dr. John Gorrie, M.D., and further dedicate the annual 2014 Water Street Festival Ice in his honor to coincide with his induction into the Florida Inventors Hall of Fame, hereby proclaim the 16th day of August 2014, Mayor Van W. Johnson Sr., Historic City of Apalachicola.